Question: which country is famous for its unique blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology, as well as being home to Mount Fuji? Answer: Japan. The land of the rising sun refers to Japan. This nickname comes from the country's name in Japanese, Nihon, Urbun, or Nippon, which means origin of the sun. The term was historically used by Chinese dynasties when referring to Japan because it is located to the east of China, where the sun rises first. Question: which country is the second largest in the world by total area? Answer: Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world by total area, covering approximately 9.98 million square kilometers. It ranks just behind Russia and is known for its vast landscapes, including forests, mountains, and lakes. Question: which country is known as the world's largest democracy? Answer: India. India holds the title of the world's largest democracy due to its massive population of over 1.4 billion people and its democratic system of governance. Since gaining independence in 1947, India has held regular elections, allowing its citizens to choose their leaders through universal suffrage. Question: which country is the second smallest in the world but has the highest population density? Answer: Monaco. Monaco covers just 2.1 square kilometers, making it the second smallest country after Vatican City. Despite its size, it has the highest population density in the world, with around 26,000 people per square kilometer, due to its status as a wealthy city-state and a popular destination for luxury living. Question: which African country recognizes 16 official languages in its constitution, including Shona, Ndebele, and English? Answer: Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is unique in Africa for officially recognizing 16 languages in its 2013 constitution. These include Shona, Ndebele, English, Chua, Chibarwe, Kalanga, Khoisan, Nambia, Ndau, Shangani, Sotho, Tonga, Tswana, Vinda, Xhosa, and Sign Language. This reflects the country's cultural diversity and promotes inclusivity among its various ethnic groups. Question: which country is known as the Middle Kingdom? Answer: China. The term Middle Kingdom, Zhonghua, has been used by the Chinese to refer to their country, symbolizing its central place in the world historically. Question: which country relies heavily on the Nile River, the longest river in the world? Answer: Egypt. The Nile has been the lifeline of Egypt for thousands of years, supporting agriculture and settlements, and the pyramids that are one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world and stand as symbols of ancient Egyptian civilization.
Question: which country is the youngest internationally recognized nation in the world, having gained its independence in 2011? Answer: South Sudan. South Sudan became the world's newest country on July 9, 2011, after gaining independence from Sudan following a referendum where nearly 99% voted for secession. It was recognized internationally, making it the youngest sovereign state globally.